Google just did something insane. They released an open-source AI agent that gives you free access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, their smartest model, right in your terminal. 60 requests per minute. 1,000 per day. $0. Let me show you why this breaks the entire AI coding market. Until yesterday, if you wanted frontier model coding agents, you paid. Cursor Pro? $20 a month. Claude Code? You need a Pro or Max subscription. GitHub Copilot? $10 to $19 a month. Even Anthropic's new Claude Opus 4, the quote best coding model unquote, costs $15 per million input tokens. Google just nuked that model. June 25. Gemini CLI. Apache 2.0 license. Login with a personal Google account. Boom. You have Gemini 2.5 Pro, the model leading LM Arena at 1470 ELO, crushing Web Dev Arena at 1443, dominating 8 polyglot coding benchmarks in your terminal. For free. Here is what Gemini CLI actually is. It is not a wrapper. It is a full open source agent built on the same tech as Gemini Code Assist. You install it with one command, npm install-g at google/Gemini CLI. Or brew install Gemini CLI. Off with your Google account. Done. You are inside a React-style agent loop. It reads files, writes code, runs commands, searches the web, executes Python, manages Git. It has a 1 million token context window. That is your entire codebase in context. Most agents choke at 128K or 200K. Compare this to the competition. Cursor? Closed source, $20 a month, 200K context. Claude Code? Closed, subscription gated, 200K context. GitHub Copilot? Closed, $10 to $19 a month, limited context. Gemini CLI? Open source. Apache 2.0. You can audit the code. Contribute. Fork it. 1 million token context. Free tier, 60 requests per minute, 1,000 requests per day. That is not a trial, that is the free tier. Pro and Enterprise tiers exist for teams, but individuals get the flagship model essentially unlimited. Watch this. I type Gemini boom, interactive session. Build me a React component for a real-time dashboard with WebSocket updates. It scaffolds the project. Creates package.json. Writes the component. Sets up the WebSocket hook. Runs npm install. Starts the dev server. Opens the browser. In 47 seconds. And it is using Gemini 2.5 Pro, the same model that scores 84% on SWE Bench Verified. This is not a toy. It is production grade. Key differentiator, tool use. It does not just chat. It executes. Shell commands. File operations. Git. Web search. Code execution in a sandbox. It can think with adjustable thinking budgets. You control latency versus reasoning depth. And because it is open source, the community is already building extensions. MCP servers. Custom tools. IDE integrations. VS Code extension dropped day 1. This changes everything for 3 reasons. 1. The barrier to entry for frontier AI coding just hit 0. Every developer on Earth can now access a top 3 coding model free. 2. Open source wins. Google bet on community over lock-in. Expect rapid iteration. The community will add features faster than any closed product. 3. The business model shift. Anthropic, OpenAI, Cursor, they all monetize model access. Google monetizes cloud. They want you on Vertex AI later. This is a land grab for developer mindshare, and it is brilliant. So here is my challenge: install Gemini CLI today. Build something. Push it to GitHub. Drop the repo link in the comments. I will review the best one next video. If you want to stay ahead of the AI coding curve, subscribe. I am covering every major agent drop as it hits. This is just the beginning. See you in the terminal.